Do you want to know how to easily roast garlic in the oven and get perfectly caramelized garlic cloves? Hey there, I'm London Brazil from EvolvingTable.com, where you'll learn how to make nourishing meals for your loved ones. And today we're doing a quick kitchen tip that will teach you how to roast garlic in the oven 2 different ways. We'll first start off by preheating our oven to 400 degrees. Next, we'll start preparing the garlic. If you're preparing more than 1 garlic head, make sure that you find similarly sized heads of garlic. Also, be sure to check that the garlic heads don't have any brown or moldy spots on them. Peel and remove all of the feathery paper from the outside of the head of garlic, and then cut off the top until all of the garlic cloves are exposed. If you do not see all of the cloves, simply trim around the end until they are all cut. Drizzle each head of garlic with about 1 tablespoon of olive oil and rub it into all of the cloves. Sprinkle each head of garlic with about 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Now that our heads of garlic are prepared, let's move on to the 2 different ways you can roast them in the oven. The first way is my preferred method. Place the heads of garlic cut side up in a loaf pan or muffin pan. Cover the pan with a piece of parchment paper and then a piece of aluminum foil. The second way works great if you don't happen to have a loaf pan or a muffin pan handy. Simply wrap the heads of garlic in a piece of parchment paper and then in a piece of aluminum foil. The parchment paper creates a wonderful barrier between the aluminum foil and the head of garlic, so none of that heavy metal leaches into your garlic cloves. Place the wrapped heads of garlic onto a sheet pan so any excess oil is caught if it happens to drip out. With both methods, roast the garlic in a 400-degree oven for 40 to 60 minutes or until the garlic cloves begin to caramelize. The longer they roast, the more soft and tender the garlic will get. Let the garlic cool completely until it is comfortable to the touch. To remove the garlic cloves, use a small spoon or fork, place it along the rim of the pocket, and pop out that garlic clove. Roasted garlic tastes incredible on everything from soups, in salad dressings, smeared on a toasted baguette. Or in this roasted garlic mashed cauliflower recipe. If you liked what you saw here today, make sure you check out these other quick kitchen tips. And don't forget to give it a big old thumbs up below. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss another nourishing meal to serve your loved ones. See you again soon.